Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install the Dolphin Emulator on a Chromebook the safe and easy way. First, open your settings and enable Linux Beta, sometimes called Linux Development Environment. Once Linux is ready, go to dolphin-emu.org, the official Dolphin site, and download the Linux version of the emulator. Then, use the Linux terminal on your Chromebook to install it by following the commands listed on their site. After installation, you can launch Dolphin right from your Linux Apps folder and adjust settings for performance. Keep in mind, Dolphin needs a fairly powerful Chromebook to run smoothly, so lower-end models may struggle. Another option is to use cloud-based game streaming if your device isn't strong enough. And remember, always use Dolphin legally with games you own. That's it! Now you know how to get Dolphin Emulator working on a Chromebook. Subscribe the channel for more videos.